what's up YouTube? It's your boy Ollie the Rock coming to you guys with another reaction video, and it's Sunday. It's my only video that I'll be doing. I always do one at least on every day, as you guys already know. And also, as I always ask, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to put your notification bell. Those are also important to keep you updated on the things that I'm doing, and also giving you guys the best content I can. The more subscribers I have, the more that I know that you guys want me to do some more of these. Anyway, long story short, I have a special one for you today. It has Floor Jansen in it because, you know, you can't go without a little Nightwish, but it's not quite Nightwish, but this is Floor Jansen and the Metropolitan Orchestra. The Sound of the Wind is part of the Final Fantasy Chronicles, and if you guys play the games, you guys know what that is. But if you don't, this will be a good introduction to it anyway, because it's pretty cool. Somebody has to do the vocals. Somebody's got to do the songs. So it's pretty cool that Floor is actually going to be doing this one. Pretty excited to see what she's done with it. I don't play the game very often. I play other games, but that is one that I do not play. So it'll be kind of see what she put to it. So let's get to it. All right. 3, 2, 1. I know you guys have already seen this, but you know what? I have not.
Dreaming of the stars high that speak to me in sacred sights drifting.
There she is. Cool.
Beyond the sky, come now, don't hesitate, don't look back, we've got to go now, don't fear, you'll be safe from now, morning sky watching over the world, deep inside, silent here. Inside of me, memories flickering and shivering on
It's a pretty song. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's pretty cool. I like these kind of things like this. When I find them, I like to share them. But it's got a, Flora's voice is very unique. It just fits with a lot of things. She's got a diversified voice that you can put her in anything, and she does an awesome job. Even in this one too. I don't know who that other lady was, so I'm not sure who she is. Couldn't tell you her name. I didn't look into that. But I just wanted to share this little small video with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. It was kind of cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got a whole bunch of things planned out for tomorrow. I was going to do the Imaginarium movie on here. And come to find out there's a couple of problems with showing that on a certain platform. So I got to figure out a different way to... I'll figure it out, but I think I got a plan. So I will be doing a... kind of a live stream of Imaginarium, the movie, so that everybody can enjoy it as well. I'm also planning on doing a Thanksgiving special on Thanksgiving, so that'll be super fun. I'm pretty excited with that. I got it all set up, so we're ready to roll with that. And also, I am preparing to go do some Christmas songs specifically for Nightwish and a few other groups that I really want to share with you guys. Very cool. I love this time of year. It's got a whole bunch of different songs that we can share together. I'm sure you guys have already heard them. You guys have heard everything. So what am I telling you guys? I'm going to enjoy it. How about that? And if you guys come along with the ride, it'll be very cool. Anyway, I'm also preparing a 2031. I think there's 31 videos that I'm compiling into parts so that I can actually share it with you guys. It's a very cool, well put together documentary about their last album that I really want to share with you guys. I saw a lot of it already, but I didn't react it with you guys. I want to be able to talk about it because there's a lot of information that is so important, I think, for the Nightwish community as well as myself to really go through each one and just talk about it a little bit. But anyway, hey, this is your boy Ollie the Rock. We'll catch you guys next time. And as I always say, stay metal.